Hi, I'm Randy Gordon, and welcome to AI Super Freak, your go-to spot for the amazing world of artificial intelligence. If you're new to AI, or just curious about how it's changing everyday life, you're in the right place. Today, we're kicking things off with a bang. 4 jaw-dropping trends coming in 2025 that will flip your world upside down. These aren't sci-fi dreams. They're real shifts backed by top experts, and they'll make things like work, health, and fun way easier for all of us. Let's dive in. Trend number 1. AI that handles multiple things at once, officially known as multimodal AI. Now picture this. You snap a photo of your dinner recipe gone wrong, and the AI not only reads the text, but watches a quick video clip of your preparation and hears your voice note. Then the AI suggests fixes on the spot. And in healthcare, it could look at your scans, listen to symptoms, and give doctors fast insights. Google experts say this multimodal combo power is making AI smarter than ever, like having a helpful friend who sees the full picture. For beginners like many of us, it means apps that just get what you need without any extra steps. Trend number 2. Smart AI helpers that team up to get jobs done, officially known as AI agents and multi-agent systems. No more simple chatbots. These AI agents are like a group of experts working behind the scenes for you. Imagine planning a trip. One AI checks flights, another finds deals on hotels that fit your taste, and a third looks at weather to pick the best dates, all without you lifting a finger. Reports from Morgan Stanley show this team approach will boost how we do things at work and at home. It's exciting because it frees up time for what we love, turning busy days into easy ones. Trend 3. AI that thinks step by step like solving a puzzle, officially known as advanced AI reasoning and frontier models. Big models from places like OpenAI are getting better at logic and ideas, not just repeating facts. Think of it as AI designing new medicines or spotting weather patterns to warn about storms ahead of time. Stanford studies say these tools are getting cheaper and stronger, so even small teams can use them. For us everyday people, it means smarter help with money planning or learning new skills, making tough problems feel simple. And trend 4, AI tailored just for you, especially in health and daily routines, officially known as personalized AI. Soon, AI could check your habits and genes to suggest custom health tips like a diet plan that fits your life perfectly. In shopping or fitness, it might recommend things that feel spot on based on what you do every day. Sources like Exploding Topics predict this will change how we stay healthy and shop, with businesses using it to make experiences feel made for us. But remember, it's smart to watch privacy. After all, we want the perks without all the worries. So there you have it, 4 jaw-dropping AI trends ready to rock 2025. Which one grabs you the most? Share in the comments below. Give this video a like if it sparked your interest, and subscribe to AI Super Freak for more easy-to-follow updates on this life-changing tech. Check the description for links to try some free AI tools for yourself. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious.